Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to buy crypto with Phantom Wallet. First, download the Phantom browser extension from their official website. Once installed, you will create a new wallet. It is crucial to write down your 24-word recovery phrase and store it in a very safe, offline location. This phrase is the only way to restore your funds if you lose access to your device. Finally, set a strong, unique password for daily access. Now that your wallet is set up, you need to fund it. The easiest way is to acquire Solana or SOL from a centralized exchange like Coinbase or Binance. Once you have SOL, open your Phantom wallet and copy your unique public address. This address is like your bank account number. Then, initiate a withdrawal from your exchange, pasting your Phantom address as the destination. Your SOL should arrive in a few seconds. With SOL in your wallet, you are ready to swap for other cryptocurrencies. Open your Phantom wallet and click the swap icon, which typically looks like two arrows forming a circle. Choose the token you currently hold, likely SOL, and then select the new token you wish to acquire. Enter the amount you want to swap. Phantom will display the estimated exchange rate and a small network fee, usually less than $1. Before finalizing, always take a moment to carefully review all the transaction details. Double-check the amounts you are swapping and receiving, along with the network fees. Once you are satisfied, click the Confirm button within your Phantom wallet. The transaction will process on the Solana blockchain, which is known for its speed. Your new cryptocurrency should appear in your wallet balance within a few seconds, ready for use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.